special tomato sauce is a versatile condiment that adds a burst of tanginess and flavor to a wide variety of dishes. Made from fresh tomatoes and a blend of aromatic herbs and spices, this sauce is perfect for dipping, spreading, or incorporating into your favorite recipes. To prepare the special tomato sauce, we start by blanching ripe tomatoes in hot water for a brief period, then immediately transferring them to ice water. This process helps to remove the skin easily. The tomatoes are then finely chopped or pureed, depending on the desired texture of the sauce. In a saucepan, we heat a drizzle of olive oil or butter and sauté till the copyright minced garlic until fragrant. Then, we add the chopped or pureed tomatoes to the pan and cook them until they break down and release their juices. The sauce is seasoned with a medley of herbs and spices like basil, oregano, thyme, paprika, and a pinch of sugar to balance the acidity. The sauce is simmered on low heat, allowing the flavors to meld together and the sauce to thicken. This process infuses the sauce with a rich and robust taste. Special tomato sauce can be customized to suit individual preferences. Some variations include adding diced onions, bell peppers, or even a splash of balsamic vinegar for additional depth of flavor. The sauce can be made chunky or smooth, depending on personal preference and its intended use. This versatile sauce pairs well with a variety of dishes. It can be used as a dip for fries, mozzarella sticks, or chicken nuggets. It is a fantastic topping for pizzas, burgers, and sandwiches. It can also be used as a base for pasta dishes, soups, or stews. The special tomato sauce adds a tangy and savory dimension to your meals, making them more enjoyable and appetizing. Its vibrant flavor and rich texture make it a staple in many kitchens. So, whip up a batch of this special tomato sauce and elevate your meals with its delightful tanginess and robust flavors. Experiment with different herbs and spices to create your own signature version. Get creative and enjoy the versatility and deliciousness of this versatile condiment.